If you want to set up an alarm clock on a Nothing phone for A and for A Pro, first of all we need to go to the clock app, which we should be able to find in the app drawer. Now once we open the clock app, then in here make sure that you have alarms selected. And now we can easily use one of these pre-made alarms if you want to. You can of course customize them as well, but if you want to create your own one, you can just use this plus button that we have in the bottom right corner. So first we choose when the alarm should go off. So let's say I'm gonna set it up to 8 AM. There we go, we're gonna press on OK, and the alarm is now running. You might also see some of these suggestions or informations, which are definitely worth checking out. So if the alarm volume, for example, is very low, then you might see this message, and you might want to tap on increase volume in order to adjust it. Then over here we can move it up and down in order to adjust the loudness for the alarm. Now if you tap on the alarm in here on this panel, then you can find some additional options, like for example you can schedule your alarm so it can be repeatable. You can also choose the schedule alarm option in order to set it up for a very specific date. We can set up the name for the alarm. We can choose the sound, so you can use a different sound than the default one. We can toggle vibrations. We even have routines option. And of course we can also delete an alarm if you no longer need one. You can customize these pre-made alarms as well. It's very simple. It looks exactly the same as before. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.